Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get overdraft on Revolut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, open the Revolut app on your mobile phone and make sure you are logged in. Note that there is no overdraft option in Revolut right now, but what you can do is get a loan on Revolut. This will act as an overdraft. So to get a loan, what you need to do is just open up your Revolut app and then click on this Add Money option. Then this will open up the screen, so if you are eligible for a loan, you will see this option, Get Credit and Get a Loan. So you just have to click on that. Then this will show you the screen. So from here, simply click on this Checkout Loan Options. Then Loan Calculator will be opened. So you just have to select the loan amount that you want to get and the loan duration, and it will automatically tell you the monthly repayment date and the annual interest rate and APR. So the total repayable amount that you have to pay. So once you have selected your amount detail, your loan details, you need to click on this Continue to Application, and your application will be submitted for the loan. And once it's approved, you will get a loan, which you can use as an overdraft. So that's basically how you can get overdraft on Revolut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.